ఇది ఇంకో కార్ వచ్చిందా? ఫుల్ డ్యామేజ్ అయితే ఆ కార్లు ఊరు కార్లు.
सेफ है वहाँ सेफ है।
ना ऊपर जाके शॉट्स ले लेंगे। इधर आओ ना 1 मिनट, कमेटी वाले ही है बस्ती में से आके यहाँ रह सो रात में।
यहाँ पे रात से येस्टरडे 7 o'clock से पानी जमा हो रहा है और पावर शट डाउन है। नोबडी इज कमिंग आउट टू हेल्प अस, नीदर NDRF नॉट GHMC और नॉट रेस्क्यू टीम्स। अंडरस्टैंडेबल पानी आ रहा है बट रेस्क्यू टीम्स कहाँ हैं? देयर इज़ नो पावर। छोटे छोटे बच्चों को लेके लोग जा रहे हैं। नो वाटर, नो फूड, नो मिल्क, नो डायपर्स। कितना तकलीफ हो रहा है इधर। एंड द वाटर इज़ फुल्ली केमिकली एक्सप्लॉइटेड और इसमें नीचे आगे तो वी आर गेटिंग ऑल इन्फेक्शंस इन द लेग्स।
चैनल वाले टीवी में आता सबका वाले
एवरी ईयर नहीं होता है। जब ज़्यादा बारिश हुआ जब ही होता है। एवरी ईयर होता है कि मगर अभी ये साल जो भी बारिश हुआ ना, वहाँ तक आया था पानी, वो पूरे घर पूरे डूबे थे, मगर इतना पानी नहीं आया। आता है पानी मगर इतना, जैसा कि वहाँ पर जो घर दिख रहे हैं ना, 3-4 घर 5-6 घर, ये पूरा वो घर कूद गया। हर बारिश को बस डूबते रहते हो। तो
near to many officials here, and this is a major city which is connected to all other major areas, and everybody goes through this city only, and nearby airport, and nearby the hotel Taj Vivanta, nearby the famous HPS school, nearby Geetanjali school. If this primary location situation is like this and people are not worried, the government is not worried, and the officials who are maintaining in this area is not worried, then what about the situation in other areas? I cannot imagine if this situation goes this kind of pathetic level. And my demand is, first thing is, immediately some government officials should come here and they have to see that what is happening. I don't know why. Then what is the government is doing, what is the local official is doing in this area? If this much flood is there and people are suffering here, somebody should come here and see what's happening here. Why nobody is coming here? If people are sitting at home and watching TV, then how people will live here? This is not acceptable, sir. Whoever is there, the area representative, they should come, visit this city, visit this locality, visit this area. They should tell the people to be calm and be cooperative, and they should help the people to little bit maintain their whatever the things are there here. Okay, so I request the people, my demand is, first thing here, this water level is increasing. Water is not reduced since yesterday night.
How many houses are nearby dipped into this?
Almost
Around 500 to 1,000.
no, not 5,000, 5,000 too.
5,000. Yeah, around 500 to 2,000 houses were submerged in water since yesterday night, and nobody visited this place so far. People are suffering, kids are suffering. There is no food, no water, no milk, no facilities to go out. Okay, no electricity. So.
ఇప్పుడు కూడా అట్లనే ఉంది మన పరిస్థితి. ఈడ ఓడరా ఈడు చిలా చూపిరా.